Hello friends, this is Hannah Home Decor. I hope you're in good health and enjoying my videos. If you're liking the content, please like, share, subscribe and comment for my channel because this is a very small channel and your support is crucial for us. Today's video is amazing and it's about decorating the pathways of your home. So we collected a number of ideas for different homes, keeping in mind the different styles of homes, so you can choose from them. And they are made with different materials and they are designed differently. Pathways are very important because they are the first feature of your home which one is observing or watching when one enters your home. So if they are beautifully organized and beautifully made, they just give a message of strong feelings for aesthetics or your beautiful sense of art and love to nature. Because beside pathways you can create flower beds. So there are some simple pathways which can be created with stone or simple pavers or bricks, and what can also be used if you are in love with nature and you try to stay as simple as possible, but then there is a choice of using gravel, and you can place larger planks of wood or larger pieces of stone as stepping stones. The two forms a beautiful landscape and an amazing pathway. Choosing different colored stones or tiles for your pathways is also an idea to add color and beauty to your pathways. They're definitely bringing more beauty to the place. There are different patterns. It can be a straight pathway, or it can be a curve. Dwindling pathways can also be created for more style and more beauty. You can add some natural shrubs, flowers, and plants around your pathways. In this video, we are providing you with some amazing patterns. They all are different, amazing, and unique in their nature. If your home is on a slope or steep, then too there are styles available for you which you can choose from. You can make a stepping pathway. Adding more greenery to your pathways like shrubs or grasses on your pathways. If you're using some stones, can be an amazing idea. Different colors of tiles or papers can be used in different patterns. You can use 3 to 4 colors for making different patterns. They can be some geometrical pattern. Geometrical patterns are also amazing when your pathways are in steppy areas and that is steep. Hilly areas definitely have a different landscape and definitely has different terrain and demands different type of pathways. Larger stones or part of rocks can be used. On a simple pathway, if you want to create some unique designs, you can add bricks, tiles, stones, all the material you like, and you can create different patterns with them. That too is going to look amazing. You can create some geometrical stepping stones and you can grow grass around them. That too is going to add some amusing look to your pathway. If you're in greater love with the natural beauty, then gravel alone can be an amazing idea. Pebbles will give you a look and feel of jungle. Different colored stones or rocks can be used for adding beauty in smaller patches, or small patches can be created of different patterns in one pathway. One larger image can be created if you want to create a leaf or a flower in the whole pattern, then you can create that too, and that too looks amazing. I hope you